All right, good morning, y'all. Just make sure that you have grabbed your warm up over there off of the table, just like normal. You're going to work on that first. Go ahead and complete that, okay? Don't just put it in your binder and wait till I get back tomorrow for us to do that, because obviously we're going to have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow as well, okay? So about today, you've got 2 technical assignments for me. And then I will create a short Delta Math assignment. Now, last time I had looked, a lot of y'all had not even joined Delta Math. So you need to make sure you go look in our announcements tab in your Canvas and get your Delta Math code. Okay, do not click, I'm not logged in right now, but do not click the Delta Math tab within Canvas. Okay, so go to actualdeltamath.com, hit register, and then you'll type in my code and stuff there. But don't go through Canvas to get to Delta Math, because I don't have them linked to each other yet. So you'll just go to the regular Delta Math site. So there will be a short Delta Math assignment for you to do as well at the end of class, okay? All right, so handout number 1 is a whodunit. It's kind of like a clue assignment. So the first sheet you're going to see here is just your worksheet, okay? So your work will go here, and then this is your answer, kind of where you mark off things as you discover it. All right, I really need you to practice working on the chain rule and the product and the quotient rule. You are going to have a very short 5-question chain rule, product rule, quotient rule quiz tomorrow on just practicing the chain rule, product rule, and quotient rule, okay? So you do need to make sure this is not, I'm well aware how easy it is to cheat when I'm not here, how easy it is to look things up and things of that nature, but that is not what you need to do. Make sure you're working through each problem, showing your work for how you're getting there and so forth, okay? So then here are the actual questions. dy dx, as you're going to see here, dy dx is just the derivative. Okay, so like right here on number 4, you're taking the derivative of sine 9x squared. Okay, so remember, that's what you're doing. And then, like, if you think the answer is the first one, then you see what's over here. It says the victim was not electrocuted, so you can go over here to electrocution and mark that out and so forth. Okay, so there are 10 questions on our clue game. Okay, so these 2 assignments right here or these 2 handouts go together. Handout 1 and handout 2, or handout 1 technically is these 2 assignments. Okay, so you've got your warm up already and this. All right, and then the last thing that you're going to work on again is just practice of the chain rule and product rule, quotient rule in general. All right, there are 2 pages here. Okay, so yes, I am well aware that that is 40 questions. Okay, so if I undo this, you're going to see there's 1 through 20, and then it's stapled, and there's 1 through 20. All right, these are not super duper lengthy chain rules. The only thing I will say is it does say right here you do not have to simplify. Y'all, take that within, with a grain of salt. Like, when I say you don't have to simplify, if there's a 3 on the outside and your chain rule, your donut hole, is a 2x, go ahead and multiply that 3 and that 2x together and give me 6x, okay? So, like, for instance, on this one right here. So, like, we're going to pull the 3 down, and then it's going to be 3x minus 2 squared times 3. And then go ahead and put those 2 3's together for me. That's what I mean by you don't have to simplify. Don't just leave everything spread out like that. Now, negative exponents, I will allow things of that nature as far as simplifying. Okay, so you have those 2. And then, like I said, the third thing will be the Delta Math assignment. And I will get that up here shortly in Canvas as well. But it will be in Delta Math. So when you log into Delta Math, you'll see that. Okay, so those are the 2 things that you're responsible for today. Short quiz tomorrow. You also have your mini lesson quiz. No, you don't. Never mind. Just kidding. It's first and third period. So we should be good to go on everything today. Please, please, please. Okay, I understand that when I'm not here, situations like phones and things of that nature become a bigger issue. Your phones need to be put away while we're working. And you've got plenty of work to do. You do need to show work for all of your chain rules, all of your quotient rules, all of anything that you see, you need to show work for it. These 2 assignments will be turned in before you leave. So the clue and however far you get on your chain rule practice problems, you will submit these before you leave. Okay, the only homework you would possibly have is going to be your Delta Math. Okay, and I will be back tomorrow. I will see you all then. Please be on your best behavior. Remember, your behavior is a quiz grade. It is your responsibility to be likable today. Okay, so I will see you all bright and early in the morning. Have a wonderful day and study for your little 5-question quiz tomorrow on chain, product, and quotient rule. All right, y'all be good.